And welcome back to my channel. Now we are doing chapter 1 force. Be part of it, that is center of gravity. We have done numericals and exercise and explanation of 1a, that is 1a part. Do see that videos before seeing this video. Now earth holds everything towards its center, right? Earth attracts every particle towards its center by the force of gravity on the particle called weight W of the particle. You can see people are standing on the earth. We call this center point as center of gravity of the earth. Now what happens if there is no holding force at the center of the earth? You can imagine, right? Everything must have blown in air. Everything must be in air. Nothing should be in a stable position. Means like we are standing on the earth. Like that, nothing should be there. You can imagine and see this picture here, right? Houses should be in air. People should be in air. That is very unimaginable. Similar to Earth, every object has a center of gravity. Every object has center of gravity. The center of gravity of a body is the point about which the algebraic sum of moments of weights of all the particles constituting the body is zero. This is the definition of center of gravity. Do take screenshot or learn it now only and write it down in your note. The center of gravity of a body is the point about which algebraic sum of moments or weights of all the particles constituting the body is zero. Now, for all symmetric objects, the center of mass, that is gravity, is at the center. You can see center, 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 center. Everything is at center. Now, note, the position of the center of gravity of a body of given mass depends on its shape. It changes if the body is deformed. It changes if the body is deformed, means if the shape is changed. The center of gravity of a uniform wire is at the middle of its length. Now let's understand it. Suppose this is a wire. Just take it as thin wire. And center of gravity is this. Now, but if the same wire is bent into a form of a circle, अगर मैं अभी ये वायर को जिसके सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी ये है, अगर मैं इसे सर्कल में बना देती हूँ तो उसकी सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी विल बी एट द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. अब इसकी सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी यहाँ पर होगी, सर्कल के सेंटर में होगी. अगर ये वायर होता तो वो इधर होती, अगर ये सर्कल हो जाता है तो इधर होती. सो इट इज़ ट्राइंग टू से दैट पोजीशन ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी, मतलब जो सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी की पोजीशन होती है वो डिपेंड करती है शेप के ऊपर. वो कौन से शेप का है. जैसे वायर रेक्टेंगुलर टाइप शेप की होती है, मतलब बिग होती है. अगर वो सर्कल बन जाती है तो उसका सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी अलग होता है. इफ़ चेंजेस, इफ़ द बॉडी इज डिफॉर्म, इट चेंजेस, मतलब अगर वो चेंज हो जाता है सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी अगर बॉडी को कोई और शेप दे दिया जाए. जैसे वायर को हमने सर्कल का शेप दे दिया. दिस वॉज एन एग्जाम्पल. Now, it is not necessary that the center of gravity always be within the material of the body. ये कह रहे हैं कि ऐसे नेसेसरी नहीं है कि सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी हमेशा बॉडी के अंदर ही हो. मतलब सर्कल है उसके अंदर ही सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी होती है, बट ऐसे नेसेसरी नहीं है कि हमेशा सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी अंदर ही हो. जैसे सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी ऑफ अ रिंग और अ हॉलो स्फीयर लाइज एट इट्स सेंटर वेयर देयर इज नो मटेरियल, मतलब वहाँ पे कोई मटेरियल नहीं होता सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी ऑफ रिंग या हॉलो स्फीयर में, तो सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी सेंटर पे होती है. A third point, by the concept of center of gravity, a body of weight W can be considered as a point particle of weight W at its center of gravity. These 3 points you must remember. I must say that these 3 points you must learn. Okay, it can be asked as short questions. Okay, now these also you have to learn. Rod position of center of gravity is midpoint of rod. Okay, this midpoint of rod, you can see it here. This is the rod. Circular disc geometric center. Circular disc geometric center, here is the center of gravity. Solid or hollow sphere geometric center of the sphere. Okay, solid or hollow cylinder midpoint of the axis of cylinder. This is the midpoint of axis of cylinder. Solid cone at a height h upon 4 from the base on its axis. So solid cone, it is height h upon 4 from the base. Hollow cone, height h upon 3 from the base on its axis. This all you must learn. All this. Position of center of gravity and this. It can be asked what is the center of gravity position of hollow cone, circular ring, anything. For circular ring, it is center of ring. This you can see, right? Triangular lamina or scalene triangle. It is the point of intersection of medians. Median जहाँ पे intersect करते हैं वहाँ पे triangular lamina. You can see these are the medians and it is intersecting at this point. So this is the G. Parallelogram, rectangular lamina and square or rhombus. The point of intersection of diagonals. You can see rectangle, parallelogram and square. This is the intersection of diagonals. These two are the diagonals and this is the intersection of it. So this is the center of gravity. You must learn all this, and this drawing also you should try to draw because it can be asked. Okay. Now, a solid body can be balanced by supporting it at its center of gravity. It can be balanced by supporting. Okay. Now, example, uniform meter rule has its center of gravity at 50 centimeter mark. Suppose this is a uniform meter rule and it is having center of gravity as 50. Of course, it is of 100, 0 to 100. So 100 half is 50. So middle is 50. Center of gravity is 50. It can be balanced on a knife edge or a fingertip you can take by keeping it exactly below the 50 centimeter mark. Exactly below the 50 centimeter mark. Okay. It is possible because the algebraic sum of moments of the weights of all the particles of the rule about the knife edge or fingertip is 0. Okay, it will be 0 and you must keep the knife edge at 50 only, not 60, 70, anywhere. You must keep it at 50 only. Now, this is second example, when a body is freely suspended. When it is freely suspended from a point, it comes to rest, balances in such a position that its center of gravity lies vertically below the point of suspension. This fact can be used to locate the position of a center of gravity of an irregular lamina. Means not irregular lamina, means not of definite shape but indefinite shape. Irregular lamina. So you can see square sheet balanced on the tip of a nail, right? This is the center of gravity of square lamina. Now, determination of center of gravity of an irregular lamina by the method of balance using a plumb line. Now, let A be an irregular lamina. This is an irregular lamina for which the position of the center of gravity is to be determined. मतलब हमें position of center of gravity ढूंढनी है. Make 3 fine holes at A, B and C. हमें 3 holes बनाने हैं जैसे A, B और C जैसे बना के रखा है. Near the edge of the lamina. Edge, ये edge है, right? This is the edge of the lamina. So we have to make near that. Now suspend the given lamina along with the plumb line from the hole A on a pin or nail clamp horizontally on a retort stand. Okay. Now check that the lamina is free to oscillate on the nail about the point of suspension. So check that whether it is rotating, oscillating up on the nail. When the lamina has come to rest, draw a straight line at along the plumb line. This is the plumb line we have drawn. Repeat the procedure by suspending the lamina through the hole B and then through the hole C. Repeat this procedure from B and C from 3 points for which we get straight lines BE and CF. This is BE and this is CF we have got respectively. It is noticed that lines AD, BE and CF intersect each other at the common point G. This is the common point G, that is the center of gravity we have found of irregular lamina. It was not of definite shape, right, which is the position of the center of gravity of the lamina. Now note here is, for the stable equilibrium of a body, its center of gravity must be as low as possible. It must be above the base and near the geometric center of the body. This we have to keep in mind while doing this activity. A very big thank you to reach the end of this video. Do subscribe to this channel. On this channel you will get all the subjects of ICSE 10th. After subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I upload my new video. Till then, bye bye.